Hey, it's Val here at Crafts by You, and I wanted to do an unboxing with you all for this Mysterious World Magical Cafe. It was something that I picked up when I went back to San Francisco, and I really wanted to try to build this thing out. And I sent one to my niece, the one she wanted, and she had started working on it and was like, oh my goodness, this thing is in like 500 pieces. So once she said that, I was like, okay, no, I'm not gonna do it for a minute. But I've been putting it off, and I really want to make it. And I don't know how long it's gonna take me to do. So I wanted to at least do the unboxing, see if I can start on it. The packaging is super nice. I like that. I'll put that off to the side. Cute box. Oh, look, little owl. Nice box, nice box. But let's see what's in here. Because basically the way she mentioned it, it made me feel like it was almost like when you go maybe to Hobby Lobby and you've got like those, I always say in the boys section, but you know, like the cars, the model cars and castles and whatever else guys be building. Oh Lord, I see tiny pieces. Oh my God. I mean, it's tiny. I don't know what I thought in me and my man hands trying to do this, but oh Lord, no wonder she was like stressed out. Oh my goodness, this is making me, I feel like I'm having PTSD or something for like when I was doing that paint by numbers. That was the worst one in the history of man. Oh man, y'all know me and instructions. Oh my God, what was I thinking? Oh, and I can't electrocute myself. Oh Lord. Oh my goodness. Okay. What the heck? No, it has little stairs in it. All these little pieces. Oh my God. I'm so nervous. Clear glue. Okay, they're giving you some glue in here. Oh Lord, I don't know about that. I'd gotten this Gorilla Glue and thought maybe this would work so it could be kind of quick. Okay, a little thing of paint, shingles or something, little door pieces. Oh, more paint. Those are pretty colors. What the heck are you guys having me paint? I guess some of these wood pieces. Big trucks going by. Oh wow. Ooh, this is a little star wand. I guess maybe these are the flowers or something. Okay. Batteries. Warrior batteries. Okay, and then this is the base. Oh, I guess I paint the base. Ooh, this is like I guess a resin, because it's kind of cold. It's more sturdy. It's heavier than clay or anything like that. So it must just like be a resin piece. Excuse me. And then this, they wrapped it, so I guess it wouldn't have any scratches on there. Yeah, so that's gonna be the container that would fit in there. And then they have the top piece. Oh, yeah, okay. So some of these pieces are what's gonna build out like the roof of it. Oh my goodness. Okay, well let me put this here. Stick this back in. Move it out the way. And this. And let me see if we can begin to comprehend what these instructions are saying. I feel like there should have, okay, well, there's this big book. So is this like the manual? Oh my God, I could build my own house by y'all, that is thick. Like, Yeah. This is gonna be interesting. So, this is gonna be really crazy. So I feel like I need to go study for a number of weeks, study this manual before I take the test. Tools not included: ruler, scissors, precision knife, needle nose pliers, screwdriver, and cutting pliers. Oh my God, I have just like gotten myself into a construction site. Remove the parts properly. Use your knife basically to get those out. Find the part illustration paper in the box and compare the part with the illustration so that you're able to find which parts. The side with reference lines should be outwards. Paint the parts. Cut wires. Oh my God. So like I'm really like building out all the miniatures. Like look, the wire, I'm cutting it to make the handles on the piece. Oh, y'all know. This has to be like, I don't even know how I'm gonna do this. Y'all are gonna have to give me some suggestions down below. How do I begin to do this? And do I just do a fast video of me doing it? Yeah, can you like let me know below how on earth I should be putting this thing together? Look at me going to the back. I'm like, remember the vision. Keep the vision in mind. Oh, y'all, I'm scared. I ain't even gonna lie. I mean, like, you know, I'm doing stuff all the time. It's not necessarily that I'm comfortable doing it, but this I'm actually scared of. Oh, wow. I'm gonna need some emotional support. So maybe we have to do a live or get Valeria on here to like comfort me. But I'm gonna need friends to help me get through this. So yeah, y'all let me know below. This is gonna be a quick video, just the unboxing, because I've got to go meditate over this manual and I was not expecting this much. Yeah. Oh, but it's so cute. I really want to do it. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah, we're so now we're moving the channel into miniatures, the world of miniatures. Let me know below, y'all, how I'm gonna manage this, or how you would manage it, so that I can have a better idea of what I need to do. All right. Yeah, I need to go take a chill pill. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back. Thanks, you guys.